Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to change the takeaway bill into Dine In, and if the customer having the Dine In, how to order their takeaway item. Thank you.
Okay, so for example, if you go to cash register, if you order some food and you accidentally click whole bill and you want to change the takeaway into the Dine In, very simple. Click on change bill. Then after you click it, then it will show transfer takeaway bill into Dine In. So I click it. Then you select which table that you want to transfer. So let's say I click on table 1. Let's click confirm. Then you can click yes to notify. Then the kitchen will print out a paper show that this bill has transferred to the table 1. Just click yes. Then if you click on the table left, then it will show this bill has transferred into the takeaway. Then let's say for example, in this table, let's say I got order the burger, and this burger is takeaway and this pizza is Dine In. So I click on the burger, I just turn on the takeaway, just click confirm. Then there's a 2 order, 1 order is become takeaway and this is Dine In. So if this bill you want to transfer into takeaway, same method, click on the change bill and click transfer Dine In bill to takeaway. Then just click confirm. Because this is table 1, then just click confirm. Yes. Then the takeaway bill will show at here, which is this one. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, chào Genius POS, chào A Seng lah.
Cari POS system, cari A Seng.
Find Genius POS, find A Seng.
A Seng.
找POS system,找A Seng.